Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to create a Steam account on your mobile phone. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you just need to open your browser. I open my Chrome browser and go to search bar and type Steam and then search it. So right now here you can see store.steamware.com. Just open at the first link and right now click on this top left corner three dot and then select login. Well, right now there have an option. If you just scroll down, create an account, select it. Right now you just need to type your email address. So I'm just typing on my Gmail address. Well, right now I'm not a robot. And then mark this option and then select continue. So here you can see waiting for you to verify. Just wait. So you can see so right now you just need to go your email and check your inbox. So I'm just open my Gmail and refresh it. So here you can see the new mail. Just open it and select verify my email address. So here you can see email verified, and I just open this again. So right now I just need to type my Steam account name. Choose my password on here. Sorry, I just need to change my username. So right now I just need to type my password. Well done. Right now my password already set. So right now if I just select on done, and here you can see creating your Steam account. You just need to wait couple of seconds, and right now my Steam account already created. So guys, that's it, and in this way you can very easily create your Steam account to your mobile phone. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.